Alright, the title in this video is not clickbait. I really do have a list of camera gear that is $20 or less that I think you'll love or the people you know will love. Whether you're getting it for yourself or for a gift, I don't think it matters. Let's get into it. Hey, my name is Anthony and I make videos that I hope will teach and inspire you to make better videos. If that's something you're into, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. The list of camera gear that I have are things that I actually use all the time, from lighting to tripods to ND filters, all that. Well, I just kind of gave away the list right there, didn't I? The first item on the list is this variable ND filter. If you don't know what an ND filter is, basically glasses for your camera, and this one is variable. What that means is I can twist it, and I've never done this in the studio. Maybe you can see it, but you can see that if I twist it, it gets darker and darker. So it's really convenient for your camera to have this on your lens and be able to go indoor to outdoor or outdoor to shady areas and bright sunlight. Quick tip if you're buying this as a gift, we are in the holiday season, or we are approaching the holiday season. If you don't know the size of the lens that this is gonna go on, then I would suggest to buy the biggest size and then get a set of step-up rings. What the step-up rings will allow you to do is to fit it to any size below what the thread of the filter is, but it doesn't work the opposite way. So you can't buy a small one and then get a step-up ring and attach it to a bigger lens, because that would give like a tunneling effect and it wouldn't work. Number two is a tripod. This is a tripod that I got for about $20, I would say 5 years ago or something like that. The one that I've got down in the description is a great tripod as well. It's aluminum built, so it's gonna be very sturdy and strong. It extends up to 190 centimeters, so it gets pretty tall. There are a ton of better tripod options out there, but if you don't have a tripod, this is gonna be a great option to get you started, and for the money, I don't think it can be beat. Number three is a ring light. Now, what's great about ring lights is that they give a nice even lighting around your face and gives you that ring look in the eyes whenever you're close to the camera. I have a ring light that you can dim all the way down to 0% from 100%, and you can switch between, well, not switch, you can fade between daylight color temperature and warm color temperature. So that's something I always look for in a light, and for 20 bucks, it's hard to come by a light that actually does all of that. But I think I found a happy medium for you guys, because this ring light that I put in the description is dimmable, but it doesn't necessarily fade from daylight to tungsten color temperature. But it does switch between them. So you can go from daylight color temperature, and then you can switch to a kind of middle ground, and then you switch to a tungsten color temperature. Number four is a USB charger. Now, these things save lives. I can charge anything that connects via USB. I've got a bunch of batteries that charge via USB, and I've got my light down here, this Wii light that charges via USB, which can also be used as a power bank, by the way. So if you don't have one of these, you need one. If you've got a creator friend, they will 100% appreciate a power bank, even if they already have one. Creators always need more of those, so safe little gift for you if you're looking to buy. Number five is a 5-in-1 reflector. Now this reflector that I have, when you're opening these, you want to be careful because they just kind of pop up like that. What these do is they modify light. So over here on this side of my face, I'm a little dark, and if I wanted to just kind of reflect a little bit of light there, I can do that. If I want, I could go to this gold side and reflect some gold light on my face right there. What's cool about these 5-in-1s is that the fabric on top unzips, and you've got different things under here. So there's a silver side, and this black side is for negative fill. How do you negative feel? It's like, ooh, I'm gonna touch you. Nope, nope, not gonna, no, nope. I don't know. That was stupid. This part right here is actually kind of like a silk that you can shoot through. So if you've got a light that you want to soften, you could just give yourself some more softness. 5-in-1s are videographers and photographers' best friends, and you can get one in the description for under 20 bucks. And that's it. I actually do have a bonus for you guys. The bonus item is something that I think that every videographer needs. It's something that will up your video game like by 1000%. and that's a microphone. This is the Takstar SGC 598. I've done a video about this, comparing it to the mic that I'm using right now, which is a $250 microphone. This is about 30 bucks, and its little brother, the SGC 600, also by Takstar. I call it the little brother because it's smaller, literally. This one is about 30 bucks as well. The only caveat that I have for this is that you can't really buy a wind furry for it. With this one, you can pick up wind furries for it, no problem, but because of the size of this one, it's hard to find those furries. So if you're shooting outside a lot, I'd say get this one. If you want to save room in your camera bag and you like the form factor, get this one. They sound about the same to me. And hey, that's it guys. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this list. If you've got some gear that you've picked up recently that's under 20 bucks, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments. That's it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next video.